How to use basic word processing features in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, today I'll walk you through the basics of using Microsoft Word for word processing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will cover essential features to help you create and edit documents efficiently. Launch Microsoft Word from your desktop or start menu. If prompted, sign into your Microsoft account or proceed offline. Click on the blank document to start a new file. Alternatively, choose a template from the template gallery for a pre-designed layout. Start typing to enter your content into the document. Use basic formatting options like bold, italic, underline, and font size adjustments from the toolbar. To edit text, select it and use the cut, copy, and paste commands. Use spelling and grammar check under the Review tab to proofread your document. Insert images or graphics using the Insert tab. Resize and position images by clicking and dragging their corners. You can use headings and styles from the Home tab to organize sections and subsections. You can create bulleted or numbered lists for easy reading and structure. You save your documents by clicking on File, Save As, and choosing a location on your computer. And you can print your document by selecting File, Print, adjust printing settings, and click Print. There you have it. You've learned the basics of using Microsoft Word for word processing. Practice these skills to become more comfortable with creating and editing documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.